Welcome to another review of another indie product called StackRender. Let's get started. So I already signed up for StackRender before. I will just create a new project. So let's call this startup directory. And right away, you can see it's very easy to use, very familiar. So we start with a relatively empty UI. And, initially you may kind of wonder, what do I do? How do I have to start from scratch or anything like that? But it's pretty easy to come over to the AI assistant here in the sidebar. And we can get started generating the database schema. So for our startup directory, I would say okay. It was pretty fast. Look how fast it is. It's almost instantaneous. And it's very easy to navigate. I've noticed that the fields are sort of opinionated. But that kind of brings us to one of the questions, which is, what is the quality differential between generating in StackRender between using an agent like Claude Code? However, it's a great collaborative interface, great for discussion. Another concern is what happens when this data becomes stale. So as the project evolves and the schema changes, is this still a useful collaborative tool? Nonetheless, it's very easy to browse, edit. You have a high degree of control. You even have notes, colors. It's a very well built tool. A lot of care has gone into it. And that's what you expect from an indie product. But I think the most successful ones have some kind of secret sauce. Maybe they integrate information from the web, or perhaps they train the model on proprietary information like really high quality database schemas, for example. Those could be ways to bring the schemas to the next level. Overall, I would definitely recommend StackRender if you're looking for a collaborative tool like this, where you can think through things visually and edit with an AI assistant. But it definitely has room to improve as well. All right, guys, thank you so much.